Tuyama wakwaba biom fambra Ghana and Sem TV eso edi amaje so any promise me say NDC for akwa shake Kennedy Japan echi and aso mon ko shake Kennedy Japan echi video ya mbebo yi ebe kire the NTMPP for ni bi feel say NDC for akwa shake Kennedy Japan echi ntebusuya me nko bebia ka me ho ne hwe video no na area na yembra ne be kire adwen so ewo
mo na modwen samo ya smart NDC for mo nya smart nche obi a o mo a mo voice out si yemfa Kennedy mra Kennedy won ma na match na ene mo ne Kennedy Japan ne kɔ nakra na ye hunu nyina ne ye ka kiro Kennedy Japan without wo Kennedy no MPP be kɔ so ya MPP se wuni mu a ye nka nkire alanka shi no wo di chen wo Kennedy o political career medical ka cho me kwaku ye bo me se wasai o political career wasai no woni NDC fo akamuti apam ho na wadwene ne se o say MPP party Kennedy o se ukura dom o wo mabunu ye bema o kwan ama akote o party for the strength of MPP party nti ene no ma bi wo ho a o start in beginning na ye mfiu enya se ne yesuro ti ukura population ne wo dom a ye be allow na wafiri mu ekọ na mabunu na wo so wo no o makoto aba ama simple. Se party leaders intimi nka no kore nkyere wa ye ma won say party no NDC fo afa wo so na pese wo say MPP party Kennedy Japan ye hu ni ye be shaase ene wo adi wo app we so nka no kore wo ye nya atwom because of your personal interest inti ena wo pretend claim say wo ye ayi wo nya obi a wo ka no kore ene ukura NDC party membership card ye hunu to e wo krom ha Kennedy Japan me say ye hunu wo e okrom ha uyo obi a won ka no kore na mabunu no mu bia sabi ya nwene nkwa akiri e de na kire what show say Kennedy Japan ye MPP ni ne ye ne mo kasai what shows eta na chi ene Obama hwan nimdie ben ne kura wo a wo Obama mabunu ho ato mo a wo ma ye nya aso okrom ha e de na wuni mu fa amamu ho a wo ma ye nya aso NDC say wachi why wadwen say they say MPP party you think say without one MPP entimi survive wo say na wo di chala na ene ununu ho sere ye ka no kora kire wo ne wo dom no be free party no mu ne afiri mu kina dwuma ye di be di wo app we so no on ka no kore ni ye fi say adwene da utimu ye papa ye hu say won ka no kore because of wo personal interest inti na wo claim say wo ye ni papa unye ni papa ba ko say ene wo na wo kire nipa ye nche no MPP party mu ne ya wo ye nti na NDC for voice out because we kura NDC party card omudwiri mu omudie omo ba na wo ho asa ato Ibrahim Hama ye nto aba ma na be ye mampani no nsan sabi onfom Ghana japade emfa ene ye wo boa MPP delegate ye ka kire mo ye benya bre ne asoro wo sukuru mu Kennedy ye ma wo kwan why wa adwene se woni NDC no ma amoye kuntuna ase nyina ye humo yes na ye ka kire wo na aka kire wo kina se wona wununu ho sere se emabunu di wachi na Ghana fo call for wo Kennedy Japan die nimdie na wo fa amamu ho die nimdie na wo sika na wo befom afa ni nnwuma bi a wo pese wo mfira ban mu untumi wo sika nuru ho sa wo ye na wo bepaaye ya ma wo kwan kuru we mu ene wo ni His Excellency John Dramani Mahama na ebuman ye nyaawo na ye ne ye wo pe fa MPP party twitwiri form kasa wo boso ummu obi a okrom ha especially MPP mpanimfo ye be kire wunyansa okro yi mu wo ye be kire wunyansa ene ye mu bi di samo bopa akuyen die nimdie na wo edie nimdie na wo fa amamu ho a wo ma ye nya aso wo dwu ho wo party no wo be kosa de ala nko ye no nka no kore
nkenya asama na nka me no wo kwako na ye obi o time ono ena ebe ka kire o se koyi we ma me na me ne nkoko what is sasebu we bi da na Kevin Taylor we Kevin Taylor abejira o se ye nyina MPP for yɛmfa Kennedy Japan mra na Kevin Taylor ntɔkwa ɔne Kennedy Japan ako Ghana no ntɔkwa ketewa ɛnyɛ ɔno na ɛbɛka kyerɛ yɛn nyinaa sɛ Kennedy Japan no yɛbie ne ti so ɛnyɛ ɔno na ɛbɛka kyerɛ Ghanafoɔ nyinaa sɛ Kennedy Japan yɛbie ne ti so ayi na adwen ayɛ na adwen operation nene sɛ nipa na agyina ha ɔbɛka kyerɛ yɛn sɛ yɛnkɔto aba ɛfa ma Kennedy Japan delegates asɛm wɔ mu atimi da yɛsrɛ mu monkɔto aba no ma Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia wɔn MPP fo kuku dam a wɔn support Bawumia ɛkyerɛ sɛ Bawumia yɛde ne kɔ yɛnim nwu ase yɛde ne kɔ a yɛmfɛre yɛtɔn na yɛmmerɛ Bawumia NDC for suro because omo pro omo nim de omo de ne ba enti omo suro no enti MPP delegates yesrem nkoto aba ma Dr. Bawumia boom me pese Dr. Bawumia enya bibre na Kennedy kana no tum e wo MPP mu no abule ya che wakeka ye ho nsembone a che waton party na che enti delegates ye pamocho munyina munkambom na munkoto aba ne bum.
Me very sure say wahwe two videos here me bochi away na utie asmana Dani kana Dani say there is no way the MPP is bringing Kennedy Japan tie or say there is no way the New Patriotic Party is bringing Kennedy Japan, and the reasons now all man are valid reasons, right? Are valid reasons. Or say there is no way the New Patriotic Party is bringing Kennedy Japan. Na the entire saa semi nyina no aye issue I discuss and say when we say yakopon ya aduma 31st of January 2026 na the New Patriotic Party ekoto abade the next flag bearer of the New Patriotic Party obali di party as the leader of the party ayoko election 2028 me very sure say the New Patriotic Party is going to win. Now here is where the problem is. So the problem here is that some people in the New Patriotic Party are feeling say, why is it that all of a sudden everything that is happening in this country, the Ken camp are not talking about it. The issues concerning Ejmafwake Tuya, the nurses and all this stuff, the Ken supporters are not talking about it. Another issue, so almost say, how is it that Dr. Frank Amakwehine, someone like Kevin Taylor and some of the big wigs in the NDC are saying we should bring Kennedy Japan? Is it because they know say he's going to be the weakest opponent? They know he's going to be their weakest opponent. With him, they don't need to do any campaign. All they need to do is just play his videos to the people. What you are saying? So they are just trying to play with our minds, trying to trick us into a point where we would not know how to defend ourselves. We really know how to defend ourselves, and that is what they are doing. They know say the moment you present Kennedy Japan, the possibility that the NDC will win the 2028 general elections is 99.999%. Now let me give you an example. Do you remember the Kwasiafuo election? NDC for Koyi Bernard MPTC and Ombeka said no, Bernard Bedu no Mompeno, Nemo Komo Sanka. No man to Sanka, so they are going to vote for the MPP guy yes Solomon Asumedu. At the end of the day, I told on the 2nd September. Now the NDC guy have every election with 18,000 plus votes. For the previous election, they got 17,000. Now on votes now any Pejako 18,000. Now you 19,000, 20,000. I drop it about 14,000 something. So it should tell you that these people are not people that you can actually trust, and things say they are going to help you win any election. That is the honest truth I'm telling you. So you should know what you're actually doing and what you stand for. What you say? Don't let Kennedy Japan people lie to you, because there is no way he's going to win the election, and that's the truth. How you Ghana and Sam TV. I'm just so a promise.